Hi everyone, Sarah here. It is day 4. It is morning, well, almost lunchtime. And I thought I would share with you the progress. This is where we walk in. There's still stuff on the floor, but this is finished cards. So I've condensed it down to these two is finished, and this one here is tags and gift card holders. All of these are empty bins. Yay! Over here is still the stuff that we need to go through. I have some empty boxes and bins, and this has some stuff when I went and did a class, and then that's all my 12 by 12 Jonathan's scrapbook and finished scrapbook, stuff like that. And then again, all the ribbons that I need to go through, boxes and 12 by 12 paper. My carts are over there. Underneath I did get tidied up. We have the cat bed, that bucket. That's where I just put some stuff, and I put my Big Shot, my chocolate, and then this is still the one bucket of stuff that I'm not quite sure. There's stationery things, some embossing, some specialty papers, stuff like that. There is Jonathan. You're gonna turn around and say hi? Hi. So now that my room is somewhat clean and organized, Jonathan is in a crafty mood, and so am I. So here is my desk. We have the L shape coming out here. Right now this is the stuff that I'm working on sorting. These are all unfinished cards and card fronts. Jonathan is on the floor, playing with his light box. He's going to make a sign for his video because he wants to do videos again. So I am working on going through these bins, but I also pulled out some dies and stamps because Jonathan is working on some stuff, so I am getting all that ready for him. So pretty much that's where we're at. It's a little messy because we're getting crafty, but it's what we like to do, right, Jonathan? What's your sign gonna say?
Hello, guys.
With a happy face?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, so that's where we're at. See you guys later. Hi guys, it is the end of day 4. It is 7:51 p.m. Look at that desk, and look at my little crafter. Ever since I cleaned, Jonathan has been in here. I can't get rid of him now. Crafting is more exciting than video games right now, right, Jonathan? Yes. He's working on an Easter card. The table's cleaned off, but that's because it's on the floor. But it's still progress, right, Jonathan?
Yeah.
There's space. He has his chair in here. He has his desk space. He can put his feet underneath. I have my desk space. I'm working on something. Even though I have all those stamped images colored, I wanted to work on something new. So I have stamped out and working on some coloring. Unfortunately, with me moving over here instead of being in the corner, before my tripod, my clamp for my phone that I film with was hanging from these shelves up here. The top one actually up there, and it was hanging down so that it could film on top of me. I did try, so you'll see in my next coloring video, the first portion I filmed from that corner, kind of up like this, and then I did this. Basically what I did was I clamped it to this box, and I'm using this nice heavy jar to hold it in place. The only thing is that you can see it's wobbling. So when I color and shake my desk, it wobbles. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else. I don't know, but we will see. But this is progress, and he's cleaning up. Yay! And look, I have floor. I can move around. Unfortunately, we just broke this lamp. I can't get the button to come in and out anymore. So I'm gonna have to find myself a new lamp. This footstool is probably not gonna stay here, but for now Jonathan can come back here. I have all of this space to wheel around. Whee, floor. Jonathan made a little mess in my corner because he was sitting right here, actually, right in front of the markers. He brought some food. Yeah. So,
After you had the popcorn.
yeah, we shared the popcorn.
But you brought it.
Look at all those colors. I love it. I really like it. And then I've been up here jumping through my stamps and dies to pick out some stuff for Jonathan to use. So that was very, very handy. I think 4-day weekend has been a lot of progress. Again, I still have to figure out what to do with all of this stuff, but I can walk through. And what a cutie. Alright, so hope you guys have enjoyed these 4 days worth of process for me cleaning up and organizing. And my idea of cleaning up and organizing. And that's it. So leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye. He's gonna make a bigger mess. No!